Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Bullitt Mustang, guys. This baby's an X code. It was born with a 390 and a 2-barrel. It has been upgraded since to a 4-barrel. She is beautiful. The paint is phenomenal. The chrome looks great. Oh, the trim looks awesome. That grill's looking sweet. She is a beauty, and 390 power under the hood. The body line here on the hood's looking sweet. All the stainless looks good. It's got the green mirror on it. She is beautiful. The blacked out wheels. Door jambs are nicely painted. Door panel looks good. Look at the carpeting. She looks brand new. And this baby's got a 5-speed in it. It's ready to go in high gear. We're gonna run down that Charger. Got fold down back seat. Those are the instructions on how to operate the car. You see the back seats in there also. All the trims there around that big old back window. Headliner's looking sweet. It's got the stock gauges in it. Dash pad looks good. We got great looking tack sitting down there in front of that 5-speed shifter. Love the green paint on the car. Looking phenomenal. Inside here, look at the trunk floor, all painted green. It's even got a green cover for the car. She is beautiful. You can see all the detail work down in here. Bottom side of the deck lid, all painted up nice. Rubber's been replaced. They took the Mustang off the deck lid, just like in the Bullitt car. The back end's all blacked out like the Bullitt car. Look down the side of it. Straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this Bullitt. As a matter of fact, we've got over 200 cars in stock right now, and we own every one of those cars. Now we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month, so you've got to keep a close eye on Facebook, YouTube, and our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now I'm in charge of picking out every one of the cars here at Vanguard, and I've got about 35 years in the business, and I'm going to put those years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. Bullitt Mustang time, guys. You want to talk about fun? There's nothing more fun than a Bullitt Mustang with a real 390 in it. And here we go. Listen to this. Man, does it sound good. Let's go get some. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Bullitt Mustang anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain to you how easy it is to ship this Bullitt Mustang anywhere in the world you may live. Very easy, guys. We are experts at shipping. We can ship it anywhere. And if you need help with financing, we can also help you out with financing too. No problem there either. And Tom will take care of all the paperwork for you. No problem whatsoever. We got about 3 different bankers we work with on that aspect. Tom will take care of everything. All you need to do is make that phone call and he will help you out. Now you can see down here on the dash that the speedo's working. All the gauges are working. We've got a tack added underneath the dash here. Looks like it's had an upgraded radio put into the stock location there. Just a beautiful car, and of course, old Steve McQueen would have loved to have this one. This is one beauty right here. This isn't one of those ugly old movie cars. This is a real deal. Beautiful restoration with a 390, and this one's got a 5-speed in it, guys. I'm gonna whip around and head back to the shop right now. Now, when we get back to the shop, we're gonna do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can check out the underside. That's the most important part of the whole car. How nice is the foundation of the car? You gotta check out the bottom side, guys. Nobody does that. We're gonna show you how pretty the bottom side is. We're gonna get the hood up so you can see how nice the bottom or the underside of the hood is, how beautiful that 390 is. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your investment. Call Tom anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week, practically 24 hours a day. If that man is awake, he will answer his phone and take care of you. One thing nice about this 390, no problem getting out in traffic. Just put the hammer down. Listen to this beauty. Man, it's cool. Now, we're real close to the airport, and we would love to have you come in and check it out in person. Even though about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen and we ship it out to their driveway, we'd love to have you come on out and check it out in person or send your inspector. We're open on Saturdays for you, so if you'd like to drive out, just call Tom, let him know you're coming. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and well over 200 cars in stock right now. So we may have to move a few cars around to get to your favorite car. So make sure you call Tom, let him know you're coming. Here's our building right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. We're gonna show you just how beautiful this Bullitt is. All right, we're underneath this Bullitt Mustang now, and man, she's pretty under here. You can see the gas tank's new, the exhaust is new, drop downs look good, the frame looks good, 9-inch Ford, right around a 350 gear. It is Posi, and it's actually got a nodular iron case too, so that's really cool. Glass pack mufflers. Frame looks good here also. Looks like it's had a new floorboard put in, and they did a beautiful job putting it in. I tell you what, you gotta look really hard to even tell it had a new floorboard put in. Looks like factory. Frame rails look good here too. Pinch weld looks great. They did a beautiful job on this car. It's got a brand new fuel line going front to back. It's got a brand new brake line up here going front to back. It does have a Tremec 5-speed. It does have the stock clutch in it, so it's a mechanical clutch. Looks like all brand new power steering stuff. Torque box looks like it's new. Got torque boxes on both sides. They both look new. New lower control arms. Looks like new spindles, new upper control arms. So new ball joints top and bottom. All the steering gear looks good. The radius arm bushings look like they're brand new. The strut arms all look good. I mean, everything looks great. Back sides of the fenders are nice and clean. We do have disc brakes up front. That is stock Ford stuff there. Out back, we do have drum brakes, and they are going to take all those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Got good looking Bullitt wheels on here. And we do have, let's see if I can find the size here. There it is, 215 65 15s. You can see how nice and clean it is up in there. You can see the paint work right down to the bottom edge. It's looking slick as can be. Now let's check those rears. Out back here, we've got 215 65 15s also. And you can see that wheel well's nice and clean up in there. You can see the paint work, even on the lip edge here, looking good, right down to the bottom edge here. Well, let's get under the hood and check out the power. All right, under the hood here, we do have a 390. It is a 76 model. Like I said earlier, this car was born with a 390, being an X code, but it had a 2-barrel on it. This car has been built up with a 390 76 model block. It's got Edelbrock Aluminum Heads, an Edelbrock intake, a 650 Holley sitting underneath this good-looking Ford air cleaner here. It does have air conditioning, and they did a real cool thing there. They've made it look like stock air, so it's got a lot of the Ford bracketry that would have been on it from day, and looking sweet. We got an MSD spark box here. We do have power steering. That's a Ford unit. It does have manual brakes on it. It's got a Ford style radiator in it. It's even got auto light hoses on it. The shock towers are looking good. It does have the extra braces that all the big blocks had on them. The inner wheel houses here are nice and clean. Firewall's nice and clean. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. I mean, everything about the car is sweet. Ford racing wires. It's got an Optima battery in it. Car is amazing, guys. She's an X code, so she is a 390. It's a Bullitt car. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.